No, you can still grow pepper alongside these trees while they are still young, but you cannot grow pepper along with beans, maize. You cannot plant pepper alongside maize. These are some of the crops that contradict with pepper. You cannot grow pepper alongside eggplants. When you do that, you will spoil your pepper growth. The truth is that pepper plantation is best grown on its own without mixing it with any other crop. What causes us to mix it is lack of land, because the owner of this property will tell you grow, but I'm going to plant my trees. Then you will do your calculation that by the time these trees grow to the point where you cannot plant pepper in, pepper harvesting period will be over. But pepper is best grown alone and on its own. That's when you will make the best amount of profits from pepper, when you grow it on its own without any other crop.